Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Gajala uba Prestone tensong habaya keren ba kinong thok khobor Halor ka Jingïap ya ka Medyap ki arngot ki samla hajong halum sopho uloong ba kani ka Jingja ka Jingtohkit kadang ya Shakhmat da ki pulit uloong ru ba menta ki pulit kidang persyang ban lap ya ka ka balaja bat shen kinsala ban lap ya ka Jingshisha uloong ru ban wanra ya ka syong suk syong san kadai ka ba ki hap ban trei man kasi ngimla ban ong bada ka jingdon ki pulit kum kini ki jingja kimja shu uloong bawat ha ka jingdon ki pulit hajan kum kini ki jingja ki ja henrei ka ka balong bian ki pulit ki don bad kita ki badon kti kin syakem uloong ba ki pulit kidang penlong ka Jingtohkit ban lap ya ka balaja.
Explain much about this issue because it is under active investigation done by the police. So right now the police is on the job to find out all the details, and the truth will ultimately be found out in the near future.
You said about no fear of law.
Sorry?
No.
Not necessarily. You see, as I said to you, because the law and order, maintaining of law and order is a 24/7 job. Policing is a 24/7 job. So you cannot just expect that the police, even in the presence of police, nearby criminal activities happen where you can't do anything, you can't help it. But whatever illegal activities or criminal activities done, ultimately the police are on the job to make sure that those culprits or those criminals are ultimately booked as well.
Even the vehicles were dodged. The vehicles were dodged.
Yeah, that's what. Right now, I'm telling you, the government, the police forces are on the job to trace out and to find out what's happening and who has committed those illegal activities.